this is Maria again with the Savvy Homeschooler Planner with the Getting Started series. This video is going to show you how to customize a course. So the first video that I did prior to this one was how to just add a basic course without doing any customization as far as the curriculum, adding it to a curriculum resource and stuff. So we're going to go ahead and start again with Paul Finch, and we're going to add a new math course, and we're going to connect it to a curriculum resource. So let's get started. We're going to open this up, and I'm going to change this, and I'm going to call it Think Well Algebra 1. Okay, and it's going to go on my transcript. Yes. It's a high school credit. Yes, it's a half a credit for the first semester. Oh yeah, I forgot to put here. First semester. Okay, and I'm going to come down here, course start date. Let's just start with the 18th. And schedule type is every day, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And if I do have it matched to a course schedule, so I'm going to click here. I'm looking for Math 10. There you go. I'm going to try that one. Oh, no, that's a different time because I think I already had 7 to 8 already. So let's just try a different time. Let's see. So you want to make sure when you're doing a course schedule, it's very specific. I just happen to be doing so many demos that I created more than I needed to. So I'm going to unlink this page and try it again. So there's another Math 10 here, I think. Yeah, right here. Oh, yeah. So this one's different. It's a little different time. Okay. So now as we're going down, we want to go to resources and connect to curriculum. So I'm going to connect it to a curriculum. I'm looking for Think Well Algebra 1. Here it is. Okay, so Think Well Algebra 1 has a curriculum cover, which is right here. And if I right click it, I can copy link address. And I'm going to come up here and change the icon. And I'm going to hit upload and control on the letter V. And then I'm going to hit save. So it says Algebra 1 here, and I'm also going to change it for this. Control the letter V, and I can reposition this. So this is the cover that appears on their actual course page when they get on their portal when they see it. Okay, save position. Okay, so we have all that, and we have to go to, let's see, there's nothing. Yeah, I don't have anything else right there. List it from library. It's semesters, choose semester, it's going to be first semester, semester end date. We're just going to say it's the 29th. Okay, and then we want to add the course to the transcript credit tracking report. There you go. Okay, so before I add lesson rows, because this is a 2-semester course, which means it's the full year, I'm going to go ahead and duplicate this page before I add any further things to this. Okay, so I'm going to hit duplicate. I'm going to go ahead and wait for that. And again, the duplication process, if I do it now, duplicates the cover and the icon and everything that you have inputted from the previous one. And you know it's duplicated because I'll have a 1 right after it. And then you're going to want to rename it once it pops up here. All right, so we have it here, and now I'm going to rename this one to second semester, and I'm going to make sure that my start date changes as well. And so we're going to give it a June 1st because the last one ended in May 29. This is just for demo purposes. Same time, same schedule, everything is the same. Okay, this is going to be second semester now, and the semester end date, let's just say it's the end of, say it's July. June 30th. Okay, it's just for that, for tracking purposes. And then we also want to add this one to the transcript credit tracking report. And now we can go back to the original courses to add. You'll see that here, Think Well for first Algebra 1, first semester and second semester. So let's open first semester again. And we are adding customize. So remember, we're customizing this. So I'm going to go ahead and add 10 lesson rows, like I said, for the end of May. I'm doing it a month at a time. And this will bring me all the way through May 29. And because it's customized, this is where I want to show you quickly what that looks like, because when you add a curriculum resource, I'm going to click on this. This is where the actual curriculum is, and you want to hit, this should have been check marked, is that you want to get the Google Sheets to bulk upload. And so this is where you would find it. So whenever you're customizing, you also are able to attach pre-planned lesson schedules that you can upload real quickly into the planner. Okay, there's another thing that I have failed to address in this whole thing. When you are going to be customizing courses, so let's go back to the very beginning. I'm going to go back here to courses here. And so I apologize, this should have been said the very first thing. So if I was in courses, before you even go to courses, if you're customizing it based on curriculum resources, okay, before you go into the courses, I'm going to put a disclaimer at the very front of this video when I finish creating it and edit it. You want to hit curriculum resources first, because you're going to be using that to attach to your courses. And so what you're going to want to do is select the curriculum beforehand. So you want to stop at curriculum first before you go to courses. So we are going to, if you've already added all your curriculum from the previous videos, this should have been created already. And now I'm going to hit select curriculum. So this is the tab that you would have added, and then this is the next one, select curriculum. So now you're going to go through and pick all the courses that you are going to be using, curriculum, with your courses. So I'm going to click, so this one wasn't clicked already, but I'm going to go ahead and click this. I'm going to use the English 10 here. Let's see, for grammar, I don't have it. Oh, high school, I'm going to use that one. For language arts, I have that right there, finding your voice. So I would have clicked it. It was clicked because I was trying to do another video, but yes, you would click that. And then for math, I'm doing 𝐃𝐢𝐠𝐢𝐭𝐚𝐥 algebra. That was also clicked. Anyway, so for all your kids, you want to select all the course curriculum choices before adding courses. So I just thought I'd let you know, if you are customizing courses, to please stop before you add courses, to stop at the curriculum resource directory and select the school year you're going to be using that particular course for. So I just selected some more for science, and then I want one for history. I'm going to do this one. And then we're doing, let's see if there's anything here, spelling. So I keep going through this, I see different things. And we're also doing the foreign language. Yes, okay. So when you come down here in the curriculum resource directory, this is a list of all the curriculum that you have chosen for the 26-27 curriculum year. And then you are able to then choose it in, then connect it successfully to the school year. So the reason why I wanted you to do it is because I want to make sure it's tied to a school year, and this is the way to do that. All right. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to tell you. No, I think we covered it all. So yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial on how to customize a course using a curriculum resource.